Hi, Erin. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm fantastic, thanks.
Okay, so I just have one quick question for you.
Yes.
It seems that the classic modern look is always kind of like the toughest to pull off. Can you share your favorite 2 tricks to applying black liquid liner and finding the perfect red lipstick?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's really easy. You know, classic beauty is really, a hit right now, and it's because of popular shows like Mad Men, and I think a lot of, celebrities on the red carpet rocking that classic, Hollywood glamorous look, that we're seeing that cat eye again and the red lips. And some easy tricks to doing this are very, very simple, so women at home can really do it. Liquid liner can be very intimidating, but not if you have the right trick. And my trick is I take a black eyeliner pencil first, and I lightly trace right along that upper lash line, and this creates a stencil or a guideline for the liquid to go on. Now you take your liquid, and you can easily just follow along that line, so it's much easier to trace on that line. And when you wing it out at the ends, don't worry so much if you've made a mistake. I like to take a Pond's cleansing towelette and just put it right here, just fold it in half and use that little corner to clean up the edges so you get a perfect cat eye every time. So that's definitely my favorite tip and trick for the eyes. Now when it comes to the lips, you want to start off with smooth lips. So using a Pond's wet cleansing towelette in the Morning Refresh has microbeads that buffs and polishes your lips, getting rid of all the dry skin, and starting with a smooth canvas, then you can apply the red. I do a lip stain first, do a red lip stain to fill in the lip. This gives it a nice colored base to start from. Then you use a red lip pencil to trace along the natural shape of your lip, fill it in, this gives it longevity, and then you put your red lipstick right on top in a creamy formula. Now you've got a nice red lip that has staying power, but it's not going to dry out your lips. They're nice and smooth, and it's going to last all day.
Thank you. That's awesome.
You're welcome.
Thank you.